If TikTok is not opening on your Android device, start by closing the app completely. Use your app switcher to force close TikTok, then try reopening it. If that doesn't work, take your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent TikTok from loading. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or restart your router to ensure a stable connection. Next, clear TikTok cache. Go to phone settings, find apps, app management, find TikTok in the list and tap on it. Then storage, then tap on clear cache. After this, try opening TikTok again. Make sure your app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. An outdated app might be causing the issue. Restarting your device can also help. A simple reboot can resolve minor system glitches that might be preventing TikTok from opening. If problem persists, uninstall and reinstall TikTok from the Google Play stores. This ensures you have a fresh version of the app which can fix any corrupted files. And that's it. Your TikTok should now be working. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes.